talk about TV shows, and we are reminded of overdressed actresses with dramatic makeup and loads of jewelry. But over the years, there have been some iconic looks. As we complete 2 decades of 2000s, here are some of the memorable looks from the on screen beauties. Kokila's Banarasi saris from Saath Nibhana Sathiya. Much before Kokila Modi became famous for her viral rap video Rasode Mein Kaun Tha, she was known for her Banarasi saris and their immaculate draping style in the show Saath Nibhana Sathiya. The character played by Rupal Patel was not one of the leads but became popular because of Rupal's impressive performance as a strict mother-in-law and her traditional Gujarati way of dressing. Komolika's silver nose ring from Kasauti Zindagi Ki too. While the original Komolika in Kasauti Zindagi Ki became popular for her bold makeup, Hina Khan as Komolika in the show was loved for her looks complemented by silver jewelry, the highlight being the nose ring, kamarband and jhumkas. Komolika's halter neck blouses and the eye makeup caught attention in the show. There's a reason why the original Komolika is still being considered one of the most stylish vamps on the small screen. The character played by Urvashi Dholakia was known for her Georgette saris paired with a halter neck blouses, light hair and bold makeup. Her eye makeup was layered with eyeliner and bright eyeshadows, which was the highlight of her look. The actress recently posted a throwback picture on her Instagram as she recollected her good old days. Sandhya's Lehriya and Bandhni saris from Diya Aur Bati Hum. Though Lehriya and Bandhni saris have been a part of various TV shows, they were branded as Sandhya saris after Deepika Singh, who played the role of Sandhya in the show, was seen in them. The actress wore the traditional Lehriya and Bandhni with Gota Patti work in the show, which was based in Rajasthan's Pushkar. Tulsi's sari from Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. It is impossible to talk about the most iconic looks from the TV shows and not mention Tulsi Virani, played by Smriti Irani in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Her look in the show inspired women across the country to go for embroidered sari draped in front pallu style. Not just the style of draping saris, but even the kind of saris worn by Tulsi in the show became so popular that sellers in some tier 2 cities sold those saris as Tulsi saris. Amma Ji's silver jewelry from Na Ana Is Des Lado. Meghna Malik nailed the look of the powerful Haryanvi Sarpanch in white dupatta, ghagra and long shorts in Na Ana Is Des Lado. The silver jewelry, a long necklace and bracelets that completed Ammaji's look was something that became immensely popular. The chunky silver jewelry is still worn by many to add the fusion touch to their looks. Maya's bold black attire from Behad 2. Be it in her black net saris or dresses, Maya from Behad 2, played by Jennifer Winget, was probably one of the most glamorous roles on the TV screens. One of her looks in the show was said to be inspired by Priyanka Chopra Jonas. A source close to the show had said, "As black is very restricted color, we have a limited area to experiment and bring out new looks for Maya, as we have ensured that none of her looks are repeated." When it comes to experimenting with looks and attires, Priyanka Chopra is the name that comes to our minds. The designing team took an inspiration from one of her recent looks and adapted it for Maya's appearance. Ramola's bindis from Kahi Kisi Rose. Ramola Sikkan's character in the show remains one of the most popular characters played by Sudha Chandran on the small screen. As much as her negative character was hated by the audience, she was also loved by many of her looks, especially the bindis, the famous being the super long bindi stretching till her hairline. Not just that, the way she outlined her lips with also something copied by many women. So, who is your favorite one from all these? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.